All right, one more to figure out if these two are inverses of each other. I thought I'd do one with radicals, or taking the cube root in this case, but that's kind of the same diff. You guys seem to have trouble with the fractions, and you seem to have trouble with anything that has radicals in it. So again, looking for f of g of x to equal g of f of x to equal x. Is that what's happening here? So f of g of x, right? F is -2 minus 2 times some stuff that I cube. Okay, so I'm going to take the g and I'm going to plug it in for that x over there. So it's going to be a -2 minus 2 times some stuff that I have to cube. Well, that stuff is going to be the cubed root of -x minus 2 over 2. Okay, and then of course I am going to cube that. Now please, please, please remember your order of operations. Okay, PEMDAS, exponents come before any multiplication or division or anything like that. So this cubed root and this third power are going to cancel each other out. So I'm going to have a -2 minus 2 times a -x minus 2 over 2. Okay. That's going to cancel out. I am still going to have to distribute a -1 to those two, but the 2's, the top and the 2 on the top and the 2 on the bottom are going to cancel each other out. So this is going to be a -2, and when I distribute that, -1 times a -x gives me a positive x, -1 times a -2 gives me a positive 2, and then you'll notice the -2 and the positive 2 cancel each other out when we're combining like terms. We are left with just an x there. Okay, so my f of g of x reduces down to an x. And again, I know you don't like to see that because we want to see something that's crazy that doesn't simplify, so we know we can stop and we're done with our problem, but it simplifies down, so we have to continue. So I have to go and do the g of f. Okay. So g of f is the cubed root of the opposite of some stuff minus 2 divided by 2. That's simply what it's saying. So I'm going to start with the cubed root of the opposite of, okay, all right, here's my stuff in here. Oh, we got to go red. Here's my stuff, -2 minus 2x cubed. Then I still have to subtract a 2, extend that radical bar out so I make sure it's there, and then divide by 2. Okay, so just checking, cubed root of the opposite of some stuff, -2 divided by 2. And then I just kind of need to simplify things down. I'm going to distribute this negative to both of those. So I'm still taking the cubed root of, all right, now it's a positive 2, plus 2x cubed minus 2 all over a 2. Well, this positive 2, that -2, they're going to be gone. 2 minus 2 is a 0. So I'm going to take, I'm going to go to the right now. This is the cubed root of, and my 3 should be a little smaller for my cubed root, but that's all right. 2 over x, I'm sorry, 2 times x cubed over 2. Those 2's are going to cancel. So at this point, I have the cubed root of x cubed, and guess what? Cubed root and the third power cancel. I have an x, so when I did f of g of x and g of f of x, they both simplified down to yes, or sorry, both simplified down to x. I'm jumping ahead, guys. So yes, these two are inverses, and 5 extra bonus points to anybody who makes a smiley face exclamation point on their test tomorrow. And I just lied to you right there. You're not getting 5 extra bonus points, but I hope this helps.